The film which you are about to see is an account of the tragedy which befell a group of 5 youths. For them, an idyllic summer afternoon drive became a nightmare.
You don't want to go fooling around other folks' property. You're liable to get hurt.
Anybody home?
Sally, I hear something. Stop.
Take it easy, yeah. Going to be there soon.
The Texas Chain Saw Massacre.
If I have any more fun today, I don't think I'm going to be able to take it.